Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Diary Times. I am Surbhi Mahajan. Let's start with today's morning headlines. Suspicious death of BJP MP Ram Swaroop Sharma. Dead body found hanged in his Delhi flat. Ram Swaroop Sharma, MP from Mandi, Himachal Pradesh, committed suicide by hanging himself in his flat in Gomti apartment. His body was found from the room on Wednesday morning. The employees informed the police about the case at around 7:30 a.m. When the police reached the spot, they broke the door and saw that he was hanging inside the house. He was immediately taken him to Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, where doctors declared him dead. A large quantity of medicines have also been found from inside his room. The events the events of the International Shivratri Festival in Himachal Pradesh have been cancelled due to the sudden demise of BJP MP Ram Swaroop. The events of the International Shivratri Festival in Himachal Pradesh have been cancelled due to the sudden demise of BJP MP Ram Swaroop. Now only Jaleb will come out. Last day proceedings in the State Assembly have also been postponed till tomorrow. CM Jairam Thakur, ex-CM Shanta Kumar, Education Minister Govind Singh Thakur and many other political leaders mourned over MP Ram Swaroop's sudden death. Anyone found to be drinking liquor publicity will be fined. People will find it expensive to drink in the open in the Gram Panchayat of Bamsan, a development block in Hamirpur, district of Himachal Pradesh. The Panchayat has decided a fine up to 500 rupees for the first time for a person caught publicly drinking the liquor and legal action for the second time. Modern Education College Shimla will have to return the overchanged fees from students instead of decided amount. Modern Education College Shimla, located in Shimla, will have to return the overcharged fees from the students. The Court of the Private Educational Institutions Regulatory Commission gave this verdict while hearing the case on Tuesday. The institute has also been fined Rs 15,000 separately for non-compliance of the order of the Commission. 20% discount on Khadi products in Himachal from today. Himachal Khadi Mandal will give 20% discount to its customers. Pramod Kumar Chauhan, manager of Khadi Bhandar Kotwali Bazar Dharamshala, said that a 20% discount was introduced to customers on the sale of Khadi items. A provision was made to give 20% discount of 30 days was kept for the month of March. The concerned educational institution will now be responsible for delay in scholarship application. In charge of the concerned educational institution will be responsible for delay in scholarship application. The Directorate of Higher Education has directed all private institutions to apply before 31st March. In the letter issued on Tuesday, all eligible private institutions have been asked to apply for scholarship for the academic session 2017-18 and 18-19. From April 1, no application will be entertained. Himfed will also a cold store in Himachal Pradesh. Himfed has 8,397 godowns in the state. Himfed will be funded by National Cooperative Development Corporation and other institutions. 4 years later, the annual convention of Himfed was held at Cooperative Training Institute Sakti on Tuesday under the chairmanship of Chairman Ganesh Dutt. Car rider hits 3 people near the lift of Chintapurni temple. On Wednesday afternoon, a car coming from the Sambhu barrier near the temple lift hit 3 devotees and one of them was trapped under the car. The local people living from there took the injured people to the hospital in their own car. Fasting of employees for financial benefits and pension restoration slogans against the government. Chamba district The Chamba district unit of the NPS Employees Federation today protested in Shimla with black goo khalo yaar kya hai fasting of employees for financial benefits and pension restoration. Chamba district unit of NPS Employees Federation today protested in Shimla with black ribbon in support of the ongoing pension vow to restore old pension and demand for financial benefits on the central lines. Meanwhile, the staff also shouted slogans in support of demands at the PWD Mandal Chamba office. Employees working in various government departments of the district participated in this demonstration. Villagers of Gram Panchayat Baramana of Bilaspur have opened a front against the former Panchayat head and secretary regarding the irregularities in the selection of IRDP. Villagers said that during the tenure of former head, such people have been included in the IRDP who have jewelry and property worth lakhs of rupees. Raghuvar Bali arrives in Nurpur after becoming AICC secretary. Raghuveer Singh Bali, who reached District Kangra for the first time after being appointed as secretary in the Indian National Congress, was enthusiastically welcomed by the Block Congress Nurpur. Programs were organized at different places in Nurpur by the Congress to welcome Bali. There was no procession in Nalwadi Fair. Food Supply Minister Rajendra Garg could not reach the inauguration of the state level Nalwadi Fair on Wednesday due to the death of Ram Swaroop, MP of Mandi Parliamentary Constituency in Delhi. The administration came into action after the increasing corona cases in Una. The district administration has also started showing strictness regarding the corona cases growing in the district Una. On Tuesday, where 72 corona infected cases were reported. On Wednesday, SDM Una, Dr. Nidhi Patel, after giving a thorough inspection of various places in the city, cut off the challans to the people who were roaming around without masks, left many people with a warning there. Along with the SDM Dr. Nidhi Patel, the police team was also present along with the officers of the Municipal Council Una. NPS employees of Drang Block protested with black badges. The cadre unit of the NPS Employees Federation of Drang Block worked in schools and offices in Shimla on Wednesday with black badges in support of the old pension vow for the restoration of old pension and financial benefits on the central lines. CM Jairam Thakur discussion with PM Modi on the growing cases of corona in the country and Himachal Pradesh. Corona cases are increasing again. In view of the growing cases of corona, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has held a meeting with the chief ministers of all the states through video conferencing last day. Prime Minister Modi has asked to increase corona vaccination and increase testing in villages to take corona vaccination seriously. Employees put black badges for restoration of old pension restoration and NPS in protest against the NPS on 17th March. The personnel celebrated as Black Day. Employees registered their protest by putting black badges on their workplaces. All the employees and employee federation came out in support of the NPS union. Many workers participated enthusiastically in Black Day in 15 block of district Chamba. NPS, the district president of the union, Sunil Jarial, told that till the restoration of the old pension, the NPS, the struggle of the union will not stop. Himachal Pradesh School Education Board's 10th and 12th board examination are starting from the month of April. The School Education Board has also started preparations. However, the number of board students has increased this year in both the classes as compared to the previous year. In comparison to last year, about 28,000 more candidates will sit for the 10th and 12th examination this year. Army recruitment rally started in Una. Army recruitment rally has started at Indira Stadium of the district headquarters from Wednesday morning. About 33,225 youth have registered to participate in the recruitment rally. On the first day of the recruitment rally, around 2,200 youths from Bilaspur district reached Indira Stadium to show their strength. The youths who had come to participate in the army recruitment with passion for the country service ITI campus will held interview for 80 posts in Monday. On 18th March, campus interview for 80 positions of machine operators will be conducted by Alliance Staffing Service Mohali at Industrial Training Institute Monday. Principal of Government Industrial Training Institute Mandi, Shivendra Dogar said that in the campus interviews, 10th, 12th and ITI will come. That's all in today's news. Stay tuned for more updates and keep watching Diary Times.